ang June 2024. So what's it gonna be like for your zodiac? For Aries, there's a new business opportunity that may be coming in, but I also have to warn you that people may be talking behind you or talking against you behind your back. So mag-ingat lang sa mga backstabbers. For Taurus, okay, you have to decide between two important situations. There might come a time that you might be indecisive. Parang baka malilito kayo na parang you're caught between, two rocks and hindi ninyo mahanap kung ano talaga yung parang the best option for you. When this happens, you have to be able to reconcile with what you feel would work for you best. Ano yung parang longer term na mas magiging beneficial sa inyo. Kasi parang the other option, if you come to think of it, if meron kang time to sit and meditate, ma-realize mo yung isa sa mga decisions mo. It's just going to be good for yung short term. Parang instant gratification siya, pero hindi siya yung um, hindi siya yung tamang decision that would last you na mas magkakaroon ka ng na mas magiging masaya ka. Okay? So for Gemini, okay, I'm seeing here that you're keeping yourself too much. You're parang holding yourself back too much. It's time for you to go out and have fun. Baka you're too busy. And there are also matters when it comes to intimacy. Hindi mo na napapakita dun sa partner nyo. Or if you're single, parang hindi mo na rin nabibigyan yung sarili mo, yung self-love mo, hindi mo na pagtutuunan ng pansin. So, I think siguro for now, take a break from your work or take a break from whatever is making you busy and go out with your friends. Okay, next is for after Gemini, si Cancer. Okay. Ang nakikita ko dito is you'll be very busy. Okay, you'll be very busy doing something. Ito siya eh. Ito yung dalawang cards na nakuha ko sa inyo. You'll be very busy doing something na ayaw mo naman siyang gawin. Um, pero siguro, it can be when it comes to work. Baka, baka it's something that you have to do. Although ayaw mo siyang gawin, I think you have to find a way na to compromise. Siguro talk to that person na nagpapagawa sa'yo or nag-uutos sa inyo. Na parang baka hindi ko naman yata kaya to, hindi ko yata carry na gawin to. Alright? So that's for Cancer. For Leo, okay. Mhm. Okay, both cards that I got for you, Leo, it's a nest and a broom. So pareho siyang tungkol sa home. Um, kung yung mga ibang signs, sabi ko po party-party muna. Ikaw, Leo, you have to stay at home first. You'll find happipiness here muna sa bahay. And also, I'm also getting that energy na parang it's time na magtipid muna. Wag ka muna masyadong maglalabas ng pera. And focus on the things matters with regard to family. Okay? They need you right now, and you'll also feel that emotional reward if sila muna yung gagawin mong priority this June. Okay? For Virgo. Okay? Mm-hmm. Alright. I think Virgo medyo nakaka-jackpot pa this June, ha? Number one, you're going to be in that position of authority. Parang i-elevate ka ng mga workmates mo or your schoolmates or your friends. Parang, they see you as someone na very someone respectful, someone they can respect. Someone na parang kapag ikaw yung nagbigay ng control, ikaw yung nag-take control ng mga bagay-bagay, um, napapadpad siya sa magandang outcome. And also, jackpot rin kasi this one is parang it's pleasure with a close friend. I guess you'd get to talk to someone na parang ka-close mo or parang you might be able to rekindle new friendships from your past. Pwede mo silang kausapin and nakikita ko naman dito na parang you'll find that inspiration. Maybe kaya ka nagkakaroon ng mga opinions na very respectable, credible. It's because probably may nagiging connection ka ulit with this close friend na parang matagal mo nang hindi nakakausap. And nakakuha ka siguro ng insight from them. Okay, for Libra. Libra, okay, change is coming. Okay, change is coming. Okay, you got here two animal cards. One is Caterpillar, which is very much symbolic of change. And here it's dolphin. So I think I have a feeling right now, Libra, that you're in that era in your life that you are parang down in the dumps. But mukhang makakabawi ka ngayong June, especially financially. And remember, Libra, whenever you have money, you become very powerful. Okay? So, I think itong June na to, kapag pumapasok na yung financial gain ninyo, start saving up. Okay? Huwag kayong masyadong gagastos para hindi ka ulit bumalik dito sa current situation mo na you feel na parang you feel so poor, you feel so broke, and hindi niyo na alam kung anong next step na gagawin ninyo. Okay? So, malaking bawi ang June para sa inyo. Yung lahat ng nawala sa inyo no the past few months, bumabawi siya in a big way, in a better way. Okay? Now is Scorpio. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. This is very ironic. Um, First, the imagery kasi that I got for you, skull and unicorn. Diba? Ang skull, there are hidden secrets from you. But I guess ito nga, since you know na, alam niyo yung Scorpio kasi magagaling silang magagaling sila na manghula, yung gut feel nila, they're very close to on point. You guys are very close to being on point. So when you know that a secret is being kept from you, gagamitin nyo lang yung intuition nyo. This June, medyo malakas siya. The secret naman na hinahide from you is not necessarily bad. Okay? Maybe yung mga secrets na tinatago lang sa inyo is something na hindi nyo pa kailangan malaman at this time. Hindi pa ready yung tao na magsabi sa inyo kung ano yung secret na yon. So, I think you just have to keep calm and trust your intuition. Feeling ko, whatever secret that they have, using your gut will already reveal kung ano yung secret nila sa inyo. Magaling kayong magbasa ng patterns eh. So, yan. It's may unraveling na nangyayari. May secret reveal na mangyayari for you, Scorpio. Next is for Sagittarius. Okay. I'm seeing here, Sag, na you'll be getting together with friends and you'll be successfully overcoming a problem. No Man is an Island. Remember that when siguro kapag patong-patong na yung mga problema na meron kayo, there will always be another opinion that you can consider. And maganda ngayon na takbuhan yung mga friends ninyo. This is for June, for Sagittarius. For Capricorn, okay. So I'm seeing here that parang you're never satisfied. Um, Parang you always want to outdo yourself. And magkakaroon ka ng point of disappointment this month, and that will cause a domino effect na parang a chain of events will affect your life because of this dissatisfaction. So I think baka mag-regroup muna kayo, Capricorn. Regroup with yourself, meditate muna. It's important to know what's your priority. Kasi maybe the things that disappointed you had to happen because it's leading you somewhere else. So, yun muna. Kasi, ano siya nagiging, may chain reaction siya. Kung kunya disappointed ka, and then pipilitin nyo to do something na hindi na talaga nag-work, then, it's just gonna lead to more disappointment. Right? So, ano muna, kung hindi nangyayari yung gusto niyo mangyari, stop. It's the universe telling you to stop. Okay? Maybe, change your focus. Find another goal na pwede ninyong i-achieve, 'di ba? Plan on that new goal, and probably this is a time to know to when to let go of that um previous goal na hindi ninyo makuha-kuha. Alright? Aquarius. Okay. So, may good thing and may bad thing na mangyayari sa inyo. Bad thing muna ako. Mahilig talaga ako sa save the best for last. There is danger when it comes to money matters. Be careful. Possibility of a scam may happen. And kung ano naman ang kinawala mo sa pera, yun ang kina-benefit mo sa love. Maganda yung maganda ang outcome, ang outlook mo when it comes to love this June. Especially when it comes to spiritual love. This is very close to soulmates, romantic soulmates, okay? Twin flames, karmic soulmates, hindi na muna natin yung pag-uusapan right now kasi medyo nagkakaroon ng misinterpretation ang mga tao what the difference is. But let's just say at this point for June, it's the spiritual romantic soulmate. Um, it's very abundant. It's very blossoming. Mukha siyang flower. Ayan, oh, lily siya. Alright. Pero yun nga lang, ang trade-off natin this month of June is be careful lang when it comes to money. Yeah, pwedeng ma-scam ka, pwedeng mabudol ka, pwedeng you're not too careful with your money or the different scams na nandyan online. It can also be na parang may mga umuutang sa inyo, promised you na hindi nababayaran ka nila pero hindi kayo nababayaran. So, yeah, that's that for for Aquarius. And lastly, ito na, Pisces. Okay. All right. This is all about hard work. The boot and the box. Okay. Increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goals. Doble kayod tayo, okay, Pisces? Hindi tayo pwedeng tatamad-tamad this month kasi by the end of this month or siguro towards the third week of this month, you will receive a gift dahil you earned it. Alright? That's it, guys. I hope this helped. This is your June quick readings. If you want me to have a one-on-one session with you, just message me. All right. Bye.